guys, I'm going to teach you 4 3D prints you can do at home, in which 2 of them I'm going to show you how to import and export files. I'm also going to teach you one layer by layer process in which it's completely easy for beginners. So let's get started. So for our first build, I'm going to teach you how to import a file to TinkerCAD. So let's say, for example, if I want to import this file. You click on download files and you download one of these. And then the file will be automatically downloaded in your files. And then we need to go back to TinkerCAD and press import. So then we could import our file 2 millimeters or inches. And this is how we import a file from Thingiverse or any other online 3D thing. And this is how we import a 3D file into TinkerCAD. So for our next build, I'm going to show you how to export a file from TinkerCAD. So for example, let's say if I want to import this build from TinkerCAD. So let's say if you want to import this build in 3D view, you can do this by exporting this file into STL format. And then you go on to files. Then you can double click this file and it will automatically send it to 3D view. So for our third build, I'm going to show you how to make a dice. You can do this two ways. You can do this by using a cube, or you can do this by using 4 cylinders. So you have to duplicate the cylinder 3 times. And then you duplicate this. Into a dice. Then you can write the numbers. But make sure you set it to the right size. And then you do the same thing to all of the sides. But make sure that you check all the sides if you're attaching the right number. So for example, if I attached, so for example, 6 and 1 should always be facing in the opposite sides, because if you add them together, you'll get 7. So the same for 5 and 2. They should always be facing the opposite sides. So for 3, it should be 4, since 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So and then for the last one, it is 1 and 6, because 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. And then for my last build, I'm going to show you how to do a layer by layer process. Ball in a cube. So for this, you need to start with the cube frame. Then you need to measure the Then you need to measure the sides of the cube. So for this one, it is 20 by 20 by 20. And then you need to attach a sphere inside the cube. Make sure that the sides of the sphere are equal to the sides of the cube. If it's too high, it will merge together. Both the sphere and the cube will merge together. If it's too small, the sphere might fall off the cube. And then you need to align both of the sphere and the cube into the same place. And then when it is printed, it will print in a layer by layer form. So the ball will always be inside the cube. This is possible because the sphere and the cube are printed in the same time in a layer by layer form. Hey guys, I'm going to show you the end results of my print. So this is the ball in the cube, like I explained. This is printed in a layer by layer form. So both the cube and the sphere are printed at the same time, but they are printed in a layer by layer form. And also this is my gear bearing. So this is also printed in a layer by layer form, but make sure you oil it and remove the connections with the hex screw. And also this is the dice. So make sure you remove the support material in where you printed it. This is also another format that I've printed from Thingiverse. And also you need to oil this as well and also remove the support material in it. This is also a layer by layer form. And you can also store something in it. Hey guys, if you really like this video, it will be appreciative if you smash the subscribe button. Remember to hit the notification icon so you can see my new videos.